YouTubers, welcome to AnneBetty's kitchen. So on today's menu is ribeye steak with yam chips. Yes, if you've read about the channel description, I tell you this is about fusion of cultures. So what I've fused with the ribeye steak today is the yam chips. Yam is beautiful, so you can boil yam or you can fry it. You can use it for yam balls. I'll be bringing you these amazing recipes, but today what we are combining with the ribeye steak is the yam. And I used to be a chef at Waitrose, Canary Wolf, the steak and oyster bar, and ribeye steak used to be one of our top sellers because ribeye is so delicate, and when cooked properly it melts in your mouth. And what we used to add was just salt and pepper and sometimes chili and garlic butter. But what I have added today is if you've been following my recipes, you will know I love the yellow habanero pepper because it's packed with so much flavor. It's got this fruity aromatic flavor to it, so that's what I'm going to add to my ribeye steak today. And another thing, if you know, a lot of Ghanaians are happy, they're bubbly, because Ghanaians cook, apart from breakfast, almost all our dishes have got chili in it. And if you know, chili contains serotonin, and serotonin is known as the happy chemical which is responsible for your well-being and happiness. So eat more chili and get some happiness. So now we are preparing the wrap for the steak, and that's my happy pill, serotonin. Eat more chili, make yourself happy, people. So 1 teaspoon of my yellow habanero pepper. I take 1 teaspoon of chopped shallots and 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic. The thing about steak is when you add the salt in the initial stages before you cook, it makes it become a bit tough. When it's almost done, that's when you put in the salt. So I'll leave the salt now. And we'll add 1 teaspoon of the AnneBetty's dry herbs. And 1 teaspoon oil. This is rapeseed oil. Remember, whenever you are cooking, you shouldn't cook your olive oil. I think the 1 teaspoon is too small, so I'm going to add another teaspoon. So 2 teaspoons, sorry. And a bit of pepper, that's black pepper. Now we're going to wrap our steak. We'll just wrap it. That's it, it's all been wrapped in nicely. I'll let it sit for half an hour to an hour. Ribeye is nice, so you can quickly cook it. But if you want it to absorb the herbs and spices, then you let it marinate. So that's your yam. Before I cut it up, it's alkaline water. I told you I cook with alkaline water with some Himalayan salt in it. So you season the water as when you put the yam in, it absorbs it and it seasons it. It makes it more tasty. So I'm going to peel it. So it's easier when you put it on the board and peel it. I'm not sure if a potato peeler will peel it nicely. If you cut it too much close to the skin, it has a bitter taste. So it's better you use a knife and just put it on your chopping board and chop it up. So now it's been all peeled. Cut it in half. I'm going to divide it into 3 so my chips will be nice sizes. If you can see, once it's out without any water, salt solution, let me say, it's either salt or sugar, it discolors like that. The color begins to change, so you cut it quickly and make sure it's covered in the water before you fry it up. So to go with the steak and yam, I'm preparing some salad. You should always have some greens, you know. Because it's already washed and ready to eat. So in it goes in a salad bowl. And I'm going to chop some tomatoes. I love my plum tomatoes. I love them. So I'll just cut them in fours. So I love my pomegranate. We are going to add some to the salad. And if you don't know how to use a pomegranate, you get all the seeds out. And all you do is to sprinkle your salad with it. This is packed with so much nutrients. Very healthy. Remember, your health is your wealth. There you go. So when it's ready to be served, I'll sprinkle with 1 tablespoon balsamic vinegar, 1 tablespoon olive oil, and I'll add some salt and pepper, and our salad is ready. So in goes our steak. Remember, we marinated it for an hour. So now it's searing on the griddle pan. Every 5 minutes I'll turn it over. As you can see, it's been seared on both sides. So I'm going to finish it off in the oven. Doesn't it look yummy, people? So there you go. Our steak is done. So I set my fryer to 150. You don't necessarily need a fryer. Anything you use for your deep frying, a wok, a frying pan, you can use it. But because I'm using the fryer, if you have it, I've set it on the 150 mark. I'm testing if it's ready. And that sizzling sound means it's ready. Our yam chips is ready. Now I'm going to dish out so you see how it goes with the steak and the salad. And Shito. Try it, people. Let me know how it goes. So for more videos like this, please subscribe, hit the notification button so you know firsthand whenever a new video is uploaded. And leave me comment suggestions. Thank you for watching.